In this video, we will go through a thought experiment to see how logic handles a translation error, which will lead us into Theorem 7, duality. The thought experiment goes like this. We have two values in logic, true and false. Suppose a visitor from Mars is coming to Earth and they use alpha for true and beta for false. So the proper translation from our logic to theirs is to translate t to alpha and f to beta. But what if the Martian uses a mistaken translation? Let's say the Martian is confused upon his arrival, and when he looks at our t and our f, and compares them to his alpha and beta, he mistakenly translates our t to his beta and our f to his alpha. How will this affect our logic, and is there anything that can be gained from this mistake? First, let's set up our table for AND. So A, B, and A and B. Our rows are T, 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 F, 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 T, F, and F, F, F. Next, let's draw the table the Martian will see upon translating this table. So for A, B, and A and B in the Martian translation, our first row will be beta, 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 then beta, alpha, 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 beta, alpha, and alpha, alpha, alpha. Now, let's reorder this table into the order that the Martian will be familiar with. So the rows will be alpha, 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 beta, alpha, beta, alpha, alpha, and beta, beta, beta. Notice that if we draw our table for OR right next to this table, with rows T, 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 F, T, F, T, T, and F, 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 it looks very similar to the rearranged table that the Martian sees. So after mistranslating, the Martian thinks that our table for AND is actually a table for OR. So what we did was we took our table for AND, ran it through the Martian's mistranslation process, reordered it to the Martian's familiar order, and ended up with a table very similar to our table for OR. Try going through the same process on your own with our table for OR before we go through it in the next video.